In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Godaddy, and we'll be doing it in just 5 minutes. It's a pretty straightforward process, but I'll walk you through each step to ensure everything goes smoothly. So, whether you're looking to switch to a language you're more comfortable with or simply exploring options, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to the Godaddy website. If you're not familiar with how to get there, just open your preferred web browser and type in godaddy.com. Press enter and you should find yourself on the home page. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the site. If it's your first time visiting, you'll see various services they offer, like domain names, websites, and hosting, along with online marketing tools. Now scroll all the way down to the footer of the page. As you do this, you'll notice a series of links and information at the bottom, ranging from company details to options and settings. Somewhere in this area, you'll find the current country and language setting. It typically appears as a clickable link showing the current language and country, for instance, United States English or something similar, based on your existing settings. Go ahead and click on this link. Doing so will open up a new window or drop down where you'll see a list of available countries and languages. This section is designed to let you choose the language that best suits your needs. Changing the language doesn't just update the text on the screen, it can also adjust other features like currency and regional preferences to tailor the experience to your selected country. When selecting your new language, simply scroll through the list and choose the one you prefer. The languages are presented in their native script and are usually arranged alphabetically, so take your time to find what feels right for you. Once you've chosen your language, confirm your selection, either by clicking a confirmation button or simply clicking away from the drop-down area. The page should refresh and your language setting change will take effect immediately. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the language on Godaddy. This helps ensure that navigating through their services is as intuitive and user-friendly as possible, exactly in the language you desire. Remember, you can always go back and repeat this process if you need to switch to another language in the future. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep exploring and customizing your Godaddy experience, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any more questions or need further assistance. Have a great day.